Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about how cooking fumes are extremely toxic and how you need to take care when you're dealing with cooking fumes because they're cancer causing. They could cause irritation to your lungs, your sinuses, etc. First, let me say I'm not a medical doctor. This is not medical advice. It's based on my personal experience. It's for informational and educational purposes only. So, hey, I never took cooking fumes seriously at all, really. I was just like, okay, I'm cooking, the windows are closed. It is what it is, right? This is what people do. But then when my daughter got severe MCAS, she was reacting to nearly everything. So when I started cooking even with oil, or I started turning on the oven, guess what? She was having asthma attacks. She was having reactions, significant reactions. And I realized that, hey, these fumes that are in the air, they actually are affecting you. They're affecting your immune system. They're toxic to you. So I looked further into it and realized that cooking fumes are actually toxic to human beings, all right? They cause cancer. They can cause significant irritation to different parts of the body, etc. So how do you do something about this? Do you just turn on the overhead fan? No, not really, because I've done some experiments. I have air quality monitors inside my home, okay? And when I would cook, all the air quality monitors would go red in the whole place. I mean, 3, 4 rooms surrounding the kitchen would all go red. So it wasn't simply just about turning on the overhead fan because the overhead fan was on that whole time. And if I didn't keep the windows open and have box fans running and have air circulating and really trying to flush out that smell, guess what would happen? I would have toxic air for 4 to 6 hours after cooking. People don't realize when you're cooking that this air lingers, it lingers, it lingers. And when the windows are closed, guess what? You're just inhaling it for hours and hours and hours. And the next day, you're going to be inhaling it too because it's still in the air, or it deposits on the walls, or it deposits places. So these VOCs, these volatile organic chemicals, the particulate matter, the things that are in the air that are generated from cooking with oils, cooking in the oven, baking things, etc., you definitely want to ventilate those with a box fan. You want to get your window open. You want to put the box fan on. Got to get another box fan blowing towards it. Start sucking that air out of there. I've realized that within 5-10 minutes of doing that, the air quality changes and it's back to normal when it would have been 5-6 hours beforehand if you had not done anything to mitigate the air quality issue. So keep in mind, if you can smell something in the air, it's toxic. Okay, if you can smell something in the air, it's toxic unless it's something from a fruit or a vegetable, something like that. And anytime you cook with oil, it's going to emit these toxic fumes. If you're cooking with oil, cook with high smoke point oils. This will help you with some of the air quality issues. Things like avocado oil, things like that have higher smoke points, not things like olive oil that have low smoke point. And if you are cooking, also steam stuff first. Just steam it and then add the oil later. That's going to be better for your body. It's going to be better for air quality, etc. So if you have any questions about air quality, mast cell activation, toxic fumes, etc., feel free to reach out to me. I have a website called endsickness.org. I have hundreds of articles, hundreds of videos on there teaching you how to heal yourself out here in nature, whether you got a chronic illness, whether you got migraines, whether you got mast cell activation, histamine intolerance. I cover it all. Thanks for watching, everybody.